Hey Craig, great video. I was just going to add, I liked how you had mentioned that mental health is not something that you can really see. And then also you can't draw blood and see what is going on. You'd have to actually have an interview, ask questions, and also whenever you mentioned the facial expressions with the TAT. That's something that I learned from your video because I just had thought it was just maybe cards when I saw the video, but as you elaborated, I had remembered that part. So I want to thank you on that, and also that it helps with conflicts they may have in past relationships. With that method, I think that is a really good way. Sometimes with people that have a hard time opening up and saying how they really feel, or putting their feelings into words. So I think that would be a really good way to help some clients. The ink blot as well. I think that's also like whenever you're assessing a patient, you had mentioned knowing how to read results accurately. Sorry, I can't come up with a word. This little cute kitten, I can't keep it off me. So anyways, the psychologist would have a hard time with the client and reading results accurately. If they can't read them accurately, they may misdiagnose and have adverse reactions from the patient. So that makes it really hard in that aspect. And then whenever they, making sure if you are diagnosing them medication, that as a psychologist, if they are diagnosing them with medication, that they will end up telling that, making sure the patient isn't on medication. I'm sorry, I cannot spit it out. And so basically making sure they aren't on any medications with another doctor, and also making sure they aren't taking any other supplements or recreational drugs that would have adverse reactions or effects to the medications that would be possibly prescribed. And then I also think it's important, I wanted to add that to take notes, that these, because that's one thing I think I didn't hear you say, that they should take notes. So that I think that's a really important part of doing any type of job in this field. And then I love that you had said that at the end there needs to be transparency, because I absolutely agree with you on that. In order for to be more effective and I don't know, I just have better results. I think that needs to be absolutely something that needs to be done. So thank you so much and have a great day.